Excuse me, Nate, did you find your magazine?
What are you doing?
He's reading the New York Times, the magazine. No eating it. You have to put this in your mouth if you want to do that. It's upside down. Nate, what's your favorite section of the magazine? You prefer Sunday Styles? Hi. Hi. Can I have a smile, please? Hi. Hi. Whoa! Hi. Hi.